Hey, what's up, guys? Well, as you can see, the day's finally here. It's time for me to move in. I'm gonna be an incoming freshman at the Lerner College of Business, and let me introduce myself. My name's Stewart. I'm from Cranberry, New Jersey, and I'm gonna be a sports management major. And as you can see, I'm ready for academic success. Okay, now I know that I showed Nerf guns, rock band, and boogie boards, but do not bring that on move-in day. On move-in day, you just want to bring your textbooks, things you need for your bed, anything that you need for your dorm. What I did was I made a checklist and I made sure that I brought all the things that were good for me. Well, now the hard part is done. I'm all packed up and I'm ready to go to UD.
Welcome to Harrington. This is going to be your key. It's going to get you into your mailbox and your room.
Okay, now we're here. Caesar Rodney, time for a good lunch. It's the hardest part of moving day. Saying goodbye to mom and dad.
We're very proud of you, and we know that you're going to have the world open for you here.
We love you, Carl. It's going to be the most wonderful time of your life. It's the saddest and happiest day of our lives. We love you.
Make sure you don't cry on moving day. The roommate Tyler will give you a quick tour of the room.
Quick tour of the room.
Over here is my little section. It's
Nice.
a little messy right now, but that's okay. Got food up there.
Lots of food. Lots of food.
Okay, then we got some pictures over here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Me being a cutie.
Wait a second. There I am.
There he is, spotted. That's my dog.
There's look at his dog. Cute. Yeah. Okay, then we're gonna go over here. This is my messy bed over here, but that's okay. And Tyler's bed. Woo.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Hey guys, so we just finished all of our things for today. Like we had our floor meeting, we had our building meeting, and everything went really well. And after the longest move-in day ever, I am just exhausted, but I'm so excited to start, and I can't wait to see what the future holds at UD. Thanks guys.